Super AMOLED screens are one of the best screens in display technologies. Having a Super AMOLED screen has many advantages. Advantage number 1. It consumes less battery. Advantage number 2. It gives high contrast and bright screen. Advantage number 3. As an AMOLED screen can turn on and off individual pixels, it gives deep blacks and ability to use always on display. Advantage number 4. The ability to introduce a in-display fingerprint scanner. Advantage number 5. It is very thin, making a device more slimmer. Thank you for watching.